On today's body cam, we're checking out entitled Woman Refuses to Leave Library Doesn't End Well.
On May 8th, 2026, officers responded to the Peoria Public Library after reports of a woman refusing to leave despite being asked multiple times.
Alright, look. I'll need you to stand up and put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Okay, you're being under arrest for trespassing.
I'm trespassing.
Because they asked you to leave and multiple times and you said no, and then you yelled back at them. Alright?
I ain't got to go to jail for that. How am I trespassing?
Look, I'm not going to ask you again.
How am I trespassing? You cannot lock me up for being in no public library. What is the matter with you? You can't lock me up for being in no public library. What is wrong with you?
Exactly what you're doing.
But what did I do?
Stop.
Just let go of the bag. Just let go of the bag. We can do this the easy way or the hard way, alright? Go of the bag.
Let my arms go. I ain't did nothing.
You just said you were arrest, but doesn't mean
For what?
for trespass.
How am I trespassing in this the public library?
It's going to be disorderly conduct next to you keep screaming. There's no reason to yell.
What the hell is it?
What do you mean, what is it?
I don't understand. What the hell is it?
What is what?
How am I trespassing in a public library?
You can still be trespassed. If you're disruptive, you see everybody in here, you know a library means quiet, right? If you're yelling and screaming like this, they don't want you here.
Because you just told me to put my stuff down and put my arm behind my back.
All right, we're done talking.
Right, because you don't know how to talk and deal with people. You wonder why they get loud with you.
You don't know how to understand.
Can you grab me?
We'll grab your
Okay, I'm cuffs. Let go.
Stop. Moving your arm. We're going to go out to the car. We'll come back.
Oh, that's mine.
We'll get
No, you can get my things. That was
Let's-
you guys. I'm in cuffs.
Let's go. Look, we're going to go or you're going to get more
I'm in
charges.
cuffs.
So let's walk then.
Silly. Sick ass man playing with. I'm grown. What's wrong with you?
Check the welfare down here.
Hell yeah. Should have stabbed you more than the needed. Why these scary ass treat you goofy ass? Second acting like you gonna get my body in power. Put your hands on an innocent mother. Get y'all scary ass out.
Just walk.
I wouldn't necessarily say you're innocent.
Man, shut your dead ass up. Got on the uniform, you little bitty ass.
Yep, you're the
Talk
one.
about put it in somebody's face.
You're the one
Sick
that's
ass
handcuffed.
mother. You don't get a mother.
You got anything illegal on you,
No, we waiting on the paddy wagon.
Yeah. No, paddy wagon's going off.
Dead ass. Make it harder than the mother criminals. Call yourself cops. Set your mother. Sorry ass peoples.
Alright.
That's some loud silence you got there.
You mother. Hey,
You got any needles, anything on that? So
bitch, I look like I do drugs. What I'm doing with needles?
just asking.
If you really want the answer to that, I would say, yeah, you do look like you take drugs. But you know, they just gotta ask.
What's wrong with you? Dead ass. Shaking louder than me. I'm the mother. Should be scared. Silly ass mother. Put tattoos all over their body like it's gonna make them tough. Right, now he wanna be a big man. Silly ass. Now they wanna be big man.
You couldn't cooperate.
I'm in cuffs. And so you see tobacco up there?
Just saying.
You see tobacco up there, you goofy ass? Huh?
Spread your legs out a little farther.
What's wrong with y'all? My legs is spreading.
You mental health thing?
Yeah, what your n****? Now they trying to act like they can't see, but you always put it in my face like it's something to laugh about.
Alright, she's good over this. So.
We know she
I'm
gone.
taking this opportunity to teach my recruiter a little something. Here, you stay right there if you would. All right, when I'm
You're the test dummy. You the learning lesson for the day. He said, "Yeah, I'm gonna take an opportunity to teach to teach my recruit something." Look at her face. Yeah, you the guinea pig. You the test dummy. Okay.
on somebody, keeping a good grip here. I'm gonna keep contact with the back of her shin the whole time. I'm coming down here.
He just searched me. You did a good job, because this a mother. He just said I'm good. He just said I'm good. He just said I ain't have shit. He just said I'm good. I'm giving what child get me.
So if
I ain't gonna kiss her ass
kind of like she is now.
Ain't say nothing to that little dirty ass. My dirty ass uniforms. Teachers, don't you ever follow that. Been searched already with his silly ass.
The officer is right though with Pat frisking. You know, you spread their legs, you put your foot, your toe on the back of their heel, right? And the way I was taught, you put your toe, you know, the front half of your foot go on the back of their heel, and that way, and then you grab, you know, I used to grab like the center of their shirt, you know, and then go around one side or whatever, or you could grab their arm or whatever the case may be, right? But the way we did it, you know, obviously we didn't have them cuffed, you know, and stuff. If you had them cuffed, then yeah, you would grab their, like how he grabbed them. But if you were just doing a pat frisk and their hands were on the wall, then you would just grab the back of their shirt, like, you know, grab the back of their shirt, so that way you have some grip or whatever, and then you would go around the side, you would go down to one side. But if they got squirrely, your foot is right there, so you would just dig your knee in the back of their shin, like, and they would buckle like that, and you already have their shirt, so you pin them up, you know, and if they get boom, and yeah, you know. So yeah, officer is right. Take a great opportunity to teach the new guy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you the test dummy today. You didn't know?
Now, and you motherfuckers got fired. Y'all talking about? And you motherfuckers got fired. Y'all don't want the job. Ain't do shit to y'all or that fire.
Animal woman goes.
Boy, they cursing my sick ass out. Last time you dirty ass to go in the ring with the black team. You coward ass.
All right, what's your name?
Half of y'all died.
What's your name?
I ain't did nothing. You can't arrest me for nothing. I ain't did shit that night there.
What's your name?
I refuse to speak.
Well, I'm conducting an investigation.
What the you conduct?
Okay, well, you'll get more charges if you don't give me your name.
I'll see how I got no charges now.
Because it's against the law, so just provide me your
I'll see
name.
how I got no charges now.
Just give me your name, and we can move on.
Ain't no move on. You ain't had no right to put me in cuffs.
Okay.
The way
so are you gonna
leave me alone. I tell a judge when I go face the judge, you got me in cuffs, don't you?
Are you gonna give me?
You got me in cuffs, don't you? Ain't nothing else to talk about.
I need your name.
You sitting up there searching my bags like it's something in my bags for you. If you take them and put them up anyway, get y'all sick ass on.
Okay. I need your name. What is your name?
My bad, real quick. I just want to quickly explain what I meant when I said the toe in the back of the heel, because I'm sitting here thinking about it. I'm like, y'all probably don't even know what foot I'm talking about. But let's say you're going to frisk the left side of somebody's body. You want to put your right foot in the back of their left heel. You feel me? And then the same, because you're going to be on the left side. You know, they're going to be, you know, you're going to be offset, right? So, and then the same vice versa. And then if they move anything, you know, you just put your knee, you just bend your knee right in the back of they calf and every boop, and they gonna buckle. Yeah, but anyway.
Paddy wagons closed down. You must to be closed the down too. You scary ass, coward ass mother.
She tried to hit him with
Harsh language. You child goofy laughing ass on. You sick ass.
Okay, listen. One more chance. What's your name? Okay, so all right. They have a last name for her or anything like that?
Davis.
I can't even get no library, but this mother just went in there and got my birthday at the
Hey, really bad.
and they ain't had a library card in over 4 years.
I think once you get a library card, they got that information
Once
for
you been in
life.
jail, you got it too. You silly ass mother. Once you been in jail, you got my identification too. You sick ass. Don't stop saying my name. Sitting up standing my faces like they agree with that scary ass. Steady telling y'all to stop talking to them like you goofy ass. Stupid. You scary ass. Steady doing.
I have no idea what you're talking about, or if you're talking to me.
Dispatch has been.
Yeah, she got a warrant for her.
Clear the area of the group up over there.
Dispatch has
Peoria warrant.
Like they from somewhere else.
Aggravated battery.
Hey, goofy ass. Sorry ass. See, I ain't go nowhere, don't you? You coward ass. Now I got enough of them. Hopefully this the last. What you laughing at?
I ain't laughing. All right.
No, all right, my ass. Hopefully they love you sick ass, nasty ass, unlawful ass, unrighteous ass. Goofy. Hell yeah, he hit me. What the sick ass do? He could hear. Thirsty mother.
Listen, I've got a brand new, fresh mind in my car. I'm afraid of what you'll do to it. So we're gonna keep this stuff.
You don't want
Yeah, but it's all like bags and purse.
I got this.
Yeah.
You're out on your own? Yeah.
He likes to pull away on occasion, so
Oh, really?
yeah.
How big is
Be
she?
aware.
She's small. She's like 115 pounds.
Okay.
Barely 5 foot.
Alright. Step out of the car, face the car.
Thick, yo, me nasty ass. I don't give a f how I look at any time of life. Put it up for me.
Even though I feel for something else.
You don't know me. Where you know me from? Hell?
Probably.
You goofy, messy ass. Where you should still be? Silly ass.
Down.
Okay, don't speak upon me. Nigga, you got that enough when you buy your money up when y'all buy yourself being each other buddy brothers.
I do not understand those.
Silly ass you know me from.
I don't know if she's actually saying actual words.
You need to know.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll bring her stuff and whatnot over there. I'll take that. I'll put the booking and stuff in there if you want. We're keeping her black bag and the food, right?
That's right.
I'm gonna
Did the change make it back
I
in
put
there?
it in here. Yeah.
Well done.
I'm gonna have fun with you.
Oh, I'm with you?
No, you're with him, but I'll have fun with you when you're with him.
Oh, that's all right.
No, we're gonna keep
I heard enough stories about you from Clark.
Oh.
How do you know Park?
Clark.
Clark. You were with
Like
Clark?
Lewis
1A, yeah.
1A?
Yeah.
Lol. You're gonna be stuck at 1A until you, 5 years from now. I'm still stuck in 2A
Oh, yeah.
because you never did my
Did
DOR.
yours? Yeah, he's working on those when I was with him.
That's exactly
Hey,
what he
boy.
told me.
Yeah.
You got any hand
not gonna
sanitizer in there?
Yeah, I'd love some
Let's go.
sanitizer.
Okay, bye. Bye, Al.
The woman was charged with criminal trespass, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. She was also
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.